The Apple iPhone 14 Pro, released in September 2022, remains a standout flagship smartphone to this day. With its advanced features, powerful performance, and premium design, it appeals to users seeking a high end mobile experience. Let's explore its unique features and physical characteristics. The device sports a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with a resolution of 2556 by 1179 pixels and a pixel density of 460 ppi. The display supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, delivering vibrant colors and deep contrast. With peak brightness reaching up to 2000 nits outdoors and an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, it guarantees smooth scrolling and an impressive viewing experience. One of the most notable features is the dynamic island, which replaces the traditional notch with an interactive pill-shaped cutout that integrates notifications and controls right into the display. Additionally, the always on display feature lets users see essential information at a glance without fully waking the device, making it even more user friendly. The iPhone 14 Pro features a premium design with a surgical grade stainless steel frame and a ceramic shield front cover for extra durability. Weighing about 206 grams, it feels solid in your hand while still being comfortable to use. The device comes in several striking colors, including deep purple, gold, silver, and space black. The iPhone 14 Pro is powered by the A16 Bionic chip, which features a hexa-core CPU and a 5-core GPU. This processor delivers outstanding performance for multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications. Its efficiency ensures smooth operation, and with the latest iOS updates, it's a reliable choice for both everyday tasks and intensive use. The iPhone 14 Pro features an upgraded triple camera system that includes a 48 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. This setup lets you take stunning photos with improved low light performance and advanced computational photography features like the photonic engine and action mode for stabilized video recording. Equipped with a 3200 milliamp hour battery, the iPhone 14 Pro offers decent battery life that can last through a full day of moderate use. Users can expect around 23 hours of talk time or up to 20 hours of video playback under optimal conditions. The device supports fast charging up to 20 watts and wireless charging via MagSafe up to 15 watts. In conclusion, the Apple iPhone 14 Pro stands out as an exceptional smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with practical usability. Its powerful A16 Bionic processor, versatile camera system, innovative display features like Dynamic Island, and robust design ensure that the iPhone 14 Pro is an excellent choice worth considering.